Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ke jingseo ka baret but pila ban legu ban kuli da ke education loan. Pila ru ban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan. Ka Indian Meteorological Department kadika ni kita nak terekam jong ka Ministry of Earth Sciences jong ka Sarkar India. Kani ka tanat kadai ka bapelet jingmun ban Thew ban wo ya ka Jinglong jingman jong ka Suiñbneng. La kadai ya ka jingshin ka jingkrian uslam ni ka leer. Kani ka tanat ka jubatay lo paru ya ka Jinglong jingman jong ka Suiñbneng. Hagis ngi ki bansawan. Lani ka bakiong hakakitin nongway ka weather forecast. Ka office jong ka Indian Meteorological Department hakani ka Jylla ka don halai mer apa Shillong. Ka Batisi TV kala lech sakani ka office banyak kendu ya ki scientist ki badan hang ni banyak keren halor ka Jinglong jingman jong ka Suiñbneng hakani ka Jylla. Bat Kumno ki terekam nang ni ban tip ya ka Jinglong jingman jong ka Suiñbneng ha ka Jylla hi barok ka wei. Habala poi hang ni ngilaya kendu yo scientist D and head jong ka Meteorological Center Shillong utang Jylla luham kumjuru yo meteorologist B jong ka Meteorological Center Shillong uba revertes paryong. Kini kilapin I hangi ya kitiar kitar bagi penankam man Thew ban wo ya ka Jinglong jingman ka Suiñbneng. But Kumno kitrekam nagani ka office.
This one is our automatic weather station. So it is taking rainfall data and temperature, pressure, humidity data every 15 minutes. It is sending to central server in Pune, and that one you can even see from our website. So in the website, all the public can access the data and see how much rainfall is there and what is the temperature. Yeah, this is observation. We have a manual observation. This is automatic one. And this is the rain gauge, and that is our air temperature, relative humidity, and that solar panel is giving power supply. And over there at the top is the wind sensor, ultrasonic wind sensor. So these are all giving data to this system. This is the collector. We call it tipping bucket rain gauge. So inside this chamber, there's a tipping kind of mechanism. So every 0.5 millimeter, it will tip one side. Another 0.5 millimeter, it will tip the other side. So you are measuring the tip. So it will give 2 tips, 1 millimeter.
Hangne kadeka meteorological observatory jongi hangne gidon katok ene ki meteorological instruments kene kawai kadeka self recording rain gauge kene kadeka jing Thew slab kabat Thew bet lanter baro sisngi kadon ka graph hangne hakuno ka por badon slab kalapan I hagne ka graph kene yang ikot ka thermograph kaba ai jing Thew ya ka jing sheet jing create baro sisngi hangne kadon ka graph hangne record ya ka jing sheet jing create baro sisngi angka kene ro ka bang ikot ka hygrograph kene bat ka ai jing Thew ya ka jing sngam jing ka mariang ha ka sisngi lane ka humidity kene ka Thew ya ka temperature kene pat ya ka humidity kene ka hygrograph katai kene ka thermograph ka evaporation pan hangneng Thew ya ka jingkala jan how jong ka man kasngi hagne ka Stevenson screen kidan ki thermometers Begini kita ki thermometer dibangi sim jing Thew man la ka sngi ban yo ya ka maximum temperature bat ka minimum temperature une udai u minimum thermometer une u ai jing Thew ya ka minimum temperature une pad udai u maximum thermometer u ai jing Thew ya ka maximum temperature kini ki wei pat ki thermometer ki dan laga jang jing Kane ni khot ka ordinary rain gods kenero ka de jing Thew ka ba jing Thew yu slap u hap hangne yu salang hangne man la ka lai kan ta ngi ya Thew yu slap hangne ya kan jing Thew jong slap ngi haban Thew hap sim jing Thew be da ubril ke ga measuring cylinder measuring glass u slap balang hagdo ka jar hangne ding isa Thew hangne ke isa Peit hangne kat no millimeter ai rainfall kumta kat no kat kumba mi ke jing Thew hangne sa sim bet hangne slap kat no ai kat bangi sim jing Thew kini kitir hangne kide ki manual instruments ki bangi hap Thew hi do brew dekat kebangi yo jing Thew hagini ki jing Thew manual instruments ding isa ya pan ya hapat but ki automatic instruments the kambun sin hing isyam bagi jing Thew bangi Thew kumne do brew ki pan I kaju hi jing Thew but ki automatic instruments ki badan hangne kadon hang tai ka wei ka bagi khot ka wind vane to ka de ka ba ai jing Thew ya ki jing be jong kala air na si function do ka be nang ta kadon ru ka to ka ba ki pelun kum tu ki ong ka anemometer ka to ber ka ai jing Thew ya ka jing state jong kala air kadon shu sa ka wei ka to hang to ka ba pelun kum ka glass ka to ber ngi khot ka sunshine recorder ka to ka ai jing Thew pat ya ka jing shai sngi bro si sngi na do man step do ba jan mit kum ta
Kila batairu ikipat ba Kumno bakin tip syapang ka Jinglong Jingman Jong ka Suiñbneng da ka balej ki website Jong ka tanan ya ka balapan I hagi Kumno kin khnyon ha ka website banwan ya ka jingtim ka bakikwa.
For those weather enthusiasts or those who want to see how much rainfall happens in their area or districts, this is a useful tool, automatic weather station. This one you can go to this. When you come here, this is the home page. So if you want to see data for particular stations, you have to go to this tabular data. So, or I've already selected Meghalaya. We can go to, since we're here in Shillong, let's select this is Khasi Hills. So you can, there are 4 options. AWS Agro, this is for agro-meteorology, this is AWS Agriculture. And then automatic weather station, this agro, only agro. Then ARG, automatic rain gauge. This automatic rain gauge gives you only a rainfall. So we're collecting only rainfall with this, and we have more network with this automatic rain gauge. If you view graph, so you'll show you the temperature graph, then relative humidity graph, wind direction, wind speed, maximum this wind gust, and station level pressure, MSLP, and also the battery health. So this is how we see the rainfall in all other places where we don't have manual observation. So this is a very useful tool. You can see before going out how much rainfall you're having before going to office or schools, and also you can see during hot summer day what is the temperature of my area. In IMD Meteorological Center Shillong, we cater to the state meteorological needs, weather forecasting, observation, and warnings, and especially warnings in collaboration with the State Disaster Management Authority. We are giving warnings. I think you must have received some SMS alerts also. That is for these extreme weather events, especially extremely heavy rainfall events. So we are using the CAP alert platform. Everyone can download this CAP alert app also, Sachet. So using this, we are issuing these alerts to everybody. And when it is severe weather, so the state disaster management is pushing these alerts to people through SMS, through these mobile networks.
Buon kia ong ba mentau snem ngi kerdu slap ha ka Jylla jongi. Bat ngi yo slam kam dir por. Hendrei habaya keren bat u scientist thang Jylla luham. Ula ong ba ka Jylla kam kerdu slam. Bat u slam uju sedang andala dei ka ayom man slam. Mentau snem lei ula ong ba ka jing yo slap ka Jylla. Kalapalan bat tam hadu arpau 100% banya ka badei ban yo.
Actually, this year rainfall was monsoon, especially monsoon was on time, I should say. So, but this pre-monsoon rainfall, March, April, and May, it was a little less than expected because this rainfall normally depends on thunderstorms. So, more thunderstorm clouds during this time, pre-monsoon. So you'll get more rainfall. But this time, as you can see, there was not many thunderstorm clouds, so less rainfall. But if you see June rainfall, the southwest monsoon rainfall, it is excess. If you see till yesterday rainfall, till this morning, it was more than 20% excess rainfalls.
Kimi ru gijinga keren sharum shaneng. Baki don gijaka hagani ka Jylla. Kiba kamjur uslam, banya uslap so'ra, lani uslap mausan ram. Hendrei ketanat kamjur shim jingken, lani jing Thew ha kita kijaka. Halor ka new scientist thang Jylla lulaong. Balada ki paitba kisngaw bakalong kumta, kani ka office ka kaloy, ban lejbu ya ki jing Thew, ha kita kijaka ni ha kinu kijaka ru, klem da shimpisa AA. Hendrei lada ki lejbu, ki kwa ba kishnong kin sumar yaki, ban laj na ka jingsha pendu penum.
In this situation, I request through your TV channel, I request those villages or localities or sites to approach us. We can help them set up automatic rain gauge, which will give every 15 minutes data, and this data will be available to public freely. So everybody can check this data, see this data. And so if we install automatic rain gauge in these stations, then this claim can also be verified, or then the people will also know how much exactly rainfall is there in that place. I think this will be good for everyone.